Welcome back to Graphic Drawings. We are going to learn about isometric view. You already have a diagram here in orthographic projection, third angle to be specific. So we want to draw it in isometric view. So what you're going to do first is draw the isometric box. So our height for the isometric box is going to be this 40 millimeters here, that is this 30 plus the 10. So just draw a line using a T-square 40 millimeters long with a lighter pencil like that. Then since the front elevation here is on the left hand side, we also take it on the left hand side of our isometric box. So from this point here, draw a line that is 50 millimeters long but at a 30 degrees angle. So 50 millimeters like that. Then you can also draw the vertical line 40 millimeters high like that. Then you have this length here to be 60 millimeters. So you draw like that, the 30 degrees angle, 60 millimeters like that. Then draw the line, another vertical line, 40 millimeters like that. Join this to this part, this to this part. Then just draw a line parallel to this, line parallel to this one, and this other side from this point, 60 millimeters long. From here, just join this to that part like that. So with the isometric box done, you can go ahead and draw the plan top. So this is where we shall have our plan. So we want this line here. First of all, that is what we want. So from this point here, this point, make an arc, measure 25 millimeters on your compass or pair of divider. Measure 25 millimeters, then draw an arc here, just a small arc. Then draw a line parallel to this one here. From this point here. That. Then again, once again, from this point, now what we want is this other line, this one here. So from this point, we are going to measure 20 millimeters. Arc like that. So, and then draw a line parallel to this one. So the angle should be 30 degrees like this. Sorry. Like that. So that, then trim that part. Then you can join this line downwards, extend it downwards from that point. That. This other one you can also take downwards, but you are not going to use it anywhere. There's no harm, as long as this is all done using a lighter pencil. Okay, we now go ahead and proceed draw the front elevation. So from this point we want this line here. Want this line. So I'm going to measure 10 millimeters. So with your pair of compass or pair of divider, from this point measure 10 millimeters and draw an arc. Draw an arc from that point like that. then draw a line parallel to this line here. So we are going to draw a line from this point here. Yeah, like that. 30 degrees, sorry. That. Then we can extend this one all the way parallel, like that. With that done, we can go ahead and start outlining our diagram. So we are going to outline the plan. This. I'm going to go there like that. This is basically what we want from our plan. Sorry. The angle should be 30 degrees. Sort of, because there's some slight error. It shouldn't be that much. Then join this to this one here. Like that. Draw the front elevation like this. Join this to this part here, then this part here. The only thing remaining now is drawing the end elevation. We want this slanted line here. So from this point here to this point is 25 millimeters. That is just the same as this point to this point. So you just draw this, join this to this, that. Another one from that point like this, that point. Yeah, you have that one there like that. We also need this line. We are going to assume that they are on the same plane, this point. So I'm going to extend this one downwards, that, then join this one here like this. Then join this one here like that. There's a slight difference, 1 millimeter difference is not that much. And then you also have this one coming here like that. And as you can see, this is our elevation, and the elevation looks like from the orthographic projection diagram here. So this is basically how you are going to draw your object in isometric view. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thank you for watching.